Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how you can upload files to Bluehost. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. So first of all, obviously once you log into your account, you might end up at your home page. On the left side, you will find hosting. There was used to be an advanced option. Now it has been changed. What you need to do is just click on hosting and here you will see all the website of yours. Scroll down until you see Cpanel option. Once you see Cpanel option over here, just click on this. It will open up a new window like this and here you are going to click on File Manager. Once you click on that, you will end up over here and you can see we have so many folders over here, but we are going with the public HTML. Click on this and here you are going to create a new folder at the top left corner. Name that folder like new website. After that, open that folder and here you can easily upload your files which consist HTML website. So how you can upload? It's very easy. Just click on upload and here you can drag and drop the files also and you can select those files also. Once you do that, click on go back to that same page and your files will be uploaded. That's it. This is all you need to know how to upload files to Bluehost. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.